Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to import data in Microsoft Office Access from Microsoft Excel. So first, open your database in Microsoft Access and follow these simple steps. Here you will find this ribbon and we are going to choose to external data and we are going to click on this tab. After clicking on the external data tab, we are going to new data source here. We are not going to click on the Excel because this field or this section, all this section is concerning the exporting of data. So you are going to take the data from Access and take it to other places like another database, etc. So to import the data, we need to go to the import section and go to new data source. After you click on it, you will find these four choices. There is the online services from another database or another file. Of course, we want the Excel, and so we are going to click on it. Here, you should just search for your Microsoft Excel sheet, and I'm going just to click on this one and click open. Here, I'm going just to choose the import the source data, and I'm going to put it uh, to another table. So I'm going to click on OK. Here, I'm seeing my worksheet that I have in my Excel. So I have two sheets. This is the table, and there is the customer sheet. Let's go with the customer or table sheet, however, and we are going to click on next. Now we have I have the first row that contains the name of my data or the headings. So I'm going to click on next. Here I have uh, just click on duplicates. So or just no and click on short text because the name type is a short text. So click on next. Here it will add the primary key, which is an ID. You can just click on no if you had already something that will be considered as a primary key for your database. Like if you had already a field that is named ID on your Excel sheet, you can just click on no. Here I do not have it, so I'm just going to click on this access add the primary key, which will be the ID. In this type of this data will be an auto number. I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to add the name of my table here. So let's just be it test or import. Just name it import, and I'm going to click finish and close. And here I have my data. So basically, this is how you can import your data from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Access. Thank you for watching and goodbye.